Okay, so it looks like that has been fixed. The issue was that ChatGPT just introduced a syntax error into the RAG system prompts. Weirdly. Damn, this is not going well. Okay, I know what the problem is. I did not upload the graph to the vector database. So it is doing file search and not finding anything. I think I said earlier, I feel like I'm missing something. I think that might have been it. Okay, we have been uploaded. Let's see if we got any good answers now. Nope, still fucked. Okay, that was a good answer. What the fuck is going on? All right, I have no clue why it's like giving an extra takes two messages to get it to answer questions. That is so weird. Never really seen that before. My guess is that the index bot is switching it making an answer and then switching it back. Anyways, okay, well, let's make a review bot. We'll just make a review bot. Wait, I have a question. Did that, I don't know whether or not the FAQs made it all the way into the final football pizza graph. So let's find out because we've got a long ass menu here. Oh no, shit. There's no FAQs in here. Hmm. Did I answer the FAQs? We'll find out. Yep, here it is. Okay. Something tells me this is going to crash ChatGPT instead of giving me an answer. I should really just get a little tiny bit of exercise every time I'm waiting, you know? That's the best way to handle these delays. Okay, did we end up with a no? It's still working. That's why. Hopefully it doesn't omit anything. That would suck. Oops, shit. I messed up. I'm not gonna make it. God damn it. Fuck. Are you still not done, ChatGPT? Holy shit. I mean, it is a long ass graph, which is exactly what I was saying. It sucks when these things are not they gotta be modular, otherwise this is what happens. It just eventually gets so long that it can't handle it, you know? So, but then how to make it modular is a whole nother question and takes a lot of time and efforts to figure out. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete this graph as soon as I find it. Okay, football pizza graph has been deleted. ChatGPT is still not done making the new graph. Do I dare refresh? Let's refresh. Are there any omissions in the last graph provided? I know the answer is yes. It's saying no, there are no omissions. But I don't think that's true because I'm pretty sure there was 32 FAQ questions and now I'm seeing about 4. Hmm. Actually, what I gave it only had a few FAQ questions. So I'm guessing, I see, I copied the wrong one from Gemini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, close enough either way. Okay, now I have the full list of questions, or close to the full list for sure. And now, please add the full list of FAQ questions. Now giving it the full list of FAQ questions. You omitted the menu section as well as the one other section. What is the other section? The website section with the web pages listed. Let's just stop this. Hmm. Okay, I do believe we now have a completed graph with the FAQs, the website, with each web page, and the um the menu, the full menu. So, just out of curiosity, let's see whether or not the JSON viewer recognizes it as valid. A, B, C, D, E, F, football pizza. Oh, there we go. Cool. So now I can use my buttons if I so choose. Okay, so let's just download this. Put it in storage, put it in the vector store. And I guess I'll go test the chatbot again, even though the thing is, it clearly had nothing to do with any of that. Fuck. I wonder. Assume the user is talking about company. I feel like possibly just this insane amount of information inside of the system prompt is the issue here. And there's no reason to have this stuff in the system prompt because it's in the vector store. Um, all right, so I simplified the football pizza reg system prompt. It's still way more complicated than fuck you, man. All right, that's still not ideal, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a review bot instead of fixing that. I do need to close down some tabs because my shit is grinding to a halt. I'll leave that here. Why not? Wow, I have a lot of shit open actually. Okay. Let's go back to where we're going to make the review bots. Okay, we got review bots, PHP review bots is what I want. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, PHP review bots. Beautiful. Let's go system prompts. No, that's not where we want to be. Football Pizza Minneapolis, that's where we want to be. Okay. Now, let's see here. Review bots with CPI. And I might as well pull up the system prompts in the meanwhile, since that is what I'm going to need. Minneapolis restaurant football pizza. Let's go ahead and copy it over to there we go. It is in there. So I'm gonna reload this. It should be here. Rename it to just simply ReviewBot. And now I have to update the manifests, unfortunately. Should I just do it manually instead of having ChatGPT do it? Whoops, that was not correct. There we go. ReviewBot. Type ReviewBot. Okay, it's got a ReviewBot, it's got a manifest. Interesting. So it didn't actually switch to the ReviewBot. But the bot index gave me like a perfect ReviewBot answer. I feel like the reason for this is, yeah, the ReviewBot is not done yet. I skipped a few steps there. All right, and then type. That's pretty wild though, that the bot index like knew exactly. It's like as if it's learning, which it shouldn't be able to do. And as long as I'm in this file, let's take a look. These are the SEO keywords it came up with: football, pizza, Minneapolis, game day, pizza, Minneapolis, best pizza for football night, Minneapolis, pizza for Vikings game, Minneapolis, pizza bar, sports bar, pizza, Minneapolis, pizza near US Bank Stadium, pizza delivery, football game, Minneapolis, Minneapolis game day, pizza specials, pizza party for football, Minneapolis, and football watch pizza deals, Minneapolis. And then the questions are: what did I think of pizza while watching the football game of the pizza? How was the service and atmosphere during the game day? Did I feel These are actually not good questions because they start with the assumption that 100% chance people watched the game while eating football pizza. but let's just make sure it works. Okay, it works. So now the only question is, first of all, do they blog? Because if they blog, then I wouldn't mind making a feed bot for them. But I know they're using WordPress. I just don't. I doubt they blog. They're football. They're a 404 on the blog. I don't know. Okay. I guess I should just give my just be done. Are we happy and done? We're happy and done. Not really. I don't know. Let's just test this one more time and see if it still is doing the weird thing where it wants you to confirm twice that you're talking about football pizza when you're using the knowledge bot. That's better. Um, what else was I trying to do here? It's doing a good job. It's getting reasonably good answers here. So, um, I don't know what else I was about to do. Oh, I was gonna say, do you have the full menu link? Motherfucker, you do have the link. Oh, that's true. I can make a browser bot. And not only can I make a browser bot, but I should be able to just press one button and make a browser bot. So let's find out if it worked. That is wild. Wait, it still didn't give the fucking thing. Do I not have the full menu in the thing. Let's check the. Oh, I can see why it would be confused, honestly, because I was confused about where their menu was. But the menu's in the graph, so should be okay. I don't know that all right. Anyways, start a new conversation and we should see the browser bot now. Damn. The reason we do not see the browser bot is because I need to add it to the manifest. Football pizza browser bot file browser type browser. Pulls content from and provides links to the football pizza web site. All right, now let's do a new chat and see if we got a browser bot. Got it. Let's test it out. The only thing it found is about us, huh? Cool. It pulled in the image even. What I want to do is just remove the filter. See if anything changes after the filter has been commented out. There we go. Oh, new website. Hmm. Interesting that there was a horizontal rule between those. I don't know how that works. Never seen that before. Catering, frozen pizza. Hmm. That was a no results found on the contact us page. That's not good. Well, anyways, it definitely works well enough for a demo. Okay. Um, am I really still getting audio? I don't see. I feel like I'm just recording. There we go. Okay. Looks like it's working. Not that it matters because we're done here. Yeah, okay. So it's got the knowledge bot, the review bot, the browser bot. I think they all work. Um, the only other thing I could do is take the JSON file and put it. Okay. I wasn't gonna do it. I was not gonna do it but I want to see something. What I want to see is this. If I take the graph and I put it in the resource, like in the index.php. And it's in there. And then I go to ChatGPT. And can you access resource.aiupgrade.site? Can you access resource.aiupgrade.site? Shit. Can you access aiupgrade.site? This is so fucking disgusting. I spent so much time making sure that it could access it, and now it just can't. Interesting. Can you access aiupgrade.site? And it randomly switched into Cantonese. Oops, I wasn't sharing this. So it randomly switches into Cantonese when I'm just speaking in English. The fuck is that? And it apparently cannot access my. Son of a bitch. Well, that is a big problem, but it also even more problematic is that well, it also means that I can't do what I'm trying to do here. Hmm. Oops. Also, I did not put this in JSON LD. And where did my ChatGPT even go? What are the tags to add a JSON LD to HTML? Okay, let's check this out again. And as you can see, there is no JSON graph file here. Let's just hope that ChatGPT can access my site now. For whatever reason, it couldn't a second ago. Maybe because it was routing my traffic through Hong Kong. And suddenly we're back in Cantonese for no fucking reason. Please respond in English. Yeah, try resource.ai upgrade.site. That is so weird. Now we can access it. Based on resource.ai upgrade.site and no other external sources, what can you tell me about football pizza? No, do not check any other sources, but there should be JSON objects on the page about it. Sure, check with developer tools. Okay. Well, that experiment so far has been a giant failure. Let's just see if I can find it, because if I can't find it, then we got. Okay. Why the fuck can't it access my website? That is so annoying. I already spent so much time making sure that it could, and now it can't again. Disgusting. Okay, well, whatever. Football Pizza's demo's done, so that's good.